it's an American dish and I'm Japanese, but I fell in love with it when I ate it first time at Thanksgiving party in America. So one day I told my husband that I'm gonna make it for dinner. My Puerto Rican husband said he doesn't want it because it doesn't have any meat in it. So I decided to add ground beef. When I bring this to potluck parties, it's very popular and I get a lot of compliments. So I hope you're gonna try it yourself. It's very easy. Everybody can make it. So keep watching. Here are the ingredients. This is 1 pound ground beef, 80 and 20% one, and some adobo to season the ground beef, 2 cans of French style green beans. I like French style better than the other kind, and I'm gonna drain them. 1 can of cream of mushroom, maybe about half container of French fried onions. It's up to you how much you're gonna use it. And then I'm gonna put some fried jalapenos because we like spicy, but if you don't want it, it's optional. And I'm gonna fill this container with milk, and then I'm gonna add in the dish. And at the end, I'm gonna have a shredded cheese to melt. I'm gonna use this baking dish. First, I'm gonna brown the ground beef. So I brown the beef, breaking in small pieces, mixing constantly on the medium heat. And then when it gets around this brown, I add adobo. And keep cooking. We tried with pork, ground pork, but we found we like it beef better, so we recommend beef. Keep browning, and then after you brown this, you take it off the heat and then let it cool. So now I'm gonna assemble it because meat is cooled it down already. So first I drained my green beans. I'm gonna add in here. Add beef. I don't drain them. I know some people drain them, but I believe this juice has good taste in it. So I don't drain them. I add everything. And mix it a little bit. And I'm gonna add cream of mushroom. And pour the milk in this container until the top. I add this in here. It's easier if you have a spatula. And mix this. Already meat has some taste with adobo, and then cream of mushroom is already has salt in it, so you don't have to add any salt and pepper at this moment. Mix well so the cream of mushroom is distributed well all over. And I'm gonna add some French onions. I add like quarter of this container for this now. And then mix inside, so when you bite it, it has a crunch inside. I also add some jalapenos. as much as you want, depending how spicy you want. It just gives you some kick. But when I bring it to the potluck parties, I don't have jalapenos because I don't know, people might not like spicy. When I eat at home, I add the jalapeno. And I add some more like fried onions on top. So I make until here. Before I work, I set the timer of my oven at 370 for 45 minutes. And then by the time I finish work, I just top it with the shredded cheese and melt the cheese, and it's gonna be done. When the dish is bubbling in the oven, it's done. So depending on how soon preheating ends, so it could be like 30 minutes when you put in the already preheated oven. So you just keep eye on it, and then when it's bubbling, this milk and then mushroom soup is bubbling, it's done. After it's boiling, I put cheese and melt the cheese in the oven at 350 for about 3 minutes. It took me about 2.5 minutes.
So listen, we've been here waiting all day for one of our favorite meals. Our casserole, beefy casserole. We totally love it. If you notice how meaty it is, cheesy, we like to eat it with white rice. Let's taste. What I like is the dry onions and the jalapeno. Dry jalapenos, it just gives an awesome kick. It's not like a normal green bean casserole. I never liked it just like a normal green bean casserole. But now that we added the meat, it just makes it much better.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think even though if you're not a spicy food person, I still really recommend for you to put the jalapenos in it. It really works well on this dish, and I think the beef is just really the star of this dish. I think, in my opinion, without the beef, I wouldn't have liked it that much. I think it's really good with beef.
Good job.
Just I mentioned before, it is very popular. This is the proof. We ate almost all. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please leave the comment and click like. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.